significance. Animation can help make a presentation more dynamic and can emphasize a whole slide or a piece of text object on a slide. The animation also prevents the complete text to appear at once on the slide. You can also add sound to increase the intensity of your animation effect. This practical enables to develop skills in creating slides with different animation effects in different modes. The relevant course outcome is create a professional presentations. After learning this practical, you will be able to apply animation effects to text and slides. To perform this practical, some skills are required, like adding slides with different animation effects during slide transition. Also, you have to add different animation effects on text and other objects and control the same. Some of the theory behind this practical is, while preparing a quality presentation, one can make use of animation and transition on slides and objects. PowerPoint tool support various effects on object and text. This increases the attention of audiences and enables presenter to give emphasis on certain presentation object. One shall make sure that this animation and transitions are to be used only when it is required and avoid the excess use of animation. To perform this practical, you require some resources like computer system. You can use any desktop or laptop computer with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You can use OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such software. You have to follow the procedure stepwise. First, create a new presentation. Use relevant tools from the menu using shortcut keys to perform following tasks. First, you can add animation to text or to an object. So to do this, do the following. Select the text or object that is to be animated. On the relevant menu, click Custom Animation. Choose an animation effect and apply from different given effects. Control its appearance and speed by choosing relevant option. You can also alter the animation effect. To do this, select the text or object, then remove the applied effects with its setting. Select the new effect and then click the type of animation, and then control its appearance and speed by choosing the relevant option. You can also add slide transition effect. So to do this, go to the slide to which transition effect is to be applied. Then go to relevant menu to choose the transition effect. Once the effect is selected, choose from different options to control its appearance and speed. For this practical, you have to perform the exercise like prepare a slideshow and apply any 5 transitions to object on entry. The second exercise is prepare a slideshow and apply any 5 transitions to objects on emphasis. And then prepare a slideshow and apply any 5 transitions to object on exit. You have to answer some practical related questions. First, explain in what way the animation effects are helpful in creating an effective presentation. The second question is describe the significance of adding header and footer to a presentation. And third question is describe transitions. Let us discuss the answer of these practical related questions one by one. The first question is explain in what way the animation effects are helpful in creating an effective presentation. So the answer is yes, animation effects are helpful in creating an effective presentation. PowerPoint offers various valuable tools to add animation effect in our presentation. Animation add flares to a presentation. It will act as an eye-catching tool for the audience. With the help of animation, you can present your ideas very easily and effectively. It can also help in making your information more memorable for a long time. Also, you can add entering and exit effects to the slide, and you can also add sound effect to make it effective. The second question is describe the significance of adding header and footer to a presentation. Header and footers appears on every slide. It includes information such as presentation title, slide number, date, and name of the presenter. You can also use master's view to place header and footer information on your slides, handouts, or note pages. The third question is describe transition. Transition effects are animation option within a presentation. You cannot see the transition in action from the static presentation view of slides. But when you start the actual slideshow, transition will dictate how the presentation progresses from one slide to the next. Transitions can be used to set specific time intervals before moving forward in the show, or it can be used to make slides change with the click of a mouse button. Transitions can also change the way a new slide enters or exits the screen.